Hi everyone, this is Aditi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share a quick recipe which is one of my favorite, a bagel sandwich. Imagine filling your favorite bagel with egg, cheese, avocado, ham, salami. For that ultimate breakfast, a bagel sandwich. And for lunch, the fillings are endless. Well, the preparation time is approximately 10 to 12 minutes. It's a super easy recipe guys, so let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.